So for the complete breakdown of all the overseas market action, we've got Kathy Yang, who's tracking all the action from Hong Kong, and Rish Salamat in London. So Rish, we'll start with you. That Eurozone GDP figure, not the only thing that surprised economists.
Yeah, absolutely not. But what we really had at the moment was this growth coming through here for both France and Germany. Really, these two countries seeing the end of the recession, the worst recession that they've seen since the Second World War. Just going to the numbers, and what we had was, in both cases, an expansion of 0.3% as far as they went. And what we were looking for in the case of Germany was a contraction of around about 0.2% for that particular economy. It's really down to the export side of things. Now, very different stories as far as these two go, because France wasn't affected quite as badly by the global economic turmoil. Germany had been, because it is the world's biggest exporter, and as a consequence of that, well, we've seen a rebound in growth taking place over in Asia, exports being, of course, demanded and imports into China, whatever, helping the German economy to grow quite nicely. All of that, of course, having a positive impact on these equity markets as well. FTSE 100 index right now trading 1.2% up. It's some of the banks here with the follow-on through from yesterday helping to support this index. Indeed, as also we've seen some of these base metal producers as well, such as Rio Tinto and BHP Billiton, helping to pace that advance as well. DAX today in the session there is also up, and it's down to the banks as well as some of those utilities. Same sort of story for the CAC 40 as well. But underlying all this, well, it is this situation that we do have at the moment. Better growth numbers, also the earnings season, most companies in Europe surpassing analyst estimates, and a consequence of that is that this equity rally seems to be perhaps just gathering a bit more momentum as well. But the bottom line from this side of the pond is that we do have growth returning as to two biggest economies in the Eurozone come out of recession.